daily news updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Freight market scenario by Saigal Seatrade.
The Asia-Pacific Supramax market freight rates were mostly flat to lower on March 28 as market participants witnessed a slow end to the trading week. The Asia-Pacific Panamax market freight rates were flat to a tick higher on March 28 as market sentiment held stable in the Pacific Basin.
Vizhinjam port emerging as gateway to global trade with railway link. The upcoming Vizhinjam-Balarampuram railway linkage project known as Reach 2 is expected to significantly enhance logistics connectivity and support Vizhinjam port's operations. Spanning approximately 10.76 kilometers, the railway will include a 9.5 kilometer underground section, ensuring minimal disruption to existing infrastructure and communities. In a clear demonstration of its commitment to responsible development, the government has launched proactive initiatives to manage land acquisition efficiently. Approximately 82.9 acres of land have been earmarked for the project, with authorities prioritizing fair compensation and comprehensive rehabilitation under the Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act of 2013. This approach highlights the government's dedication to ensuring the well-being of the people while pursuing long-term economic growth. Shipping Corporation, Polestar Maritime and Ripley Group among 6 bidders for India's first green tug tender. A tender floated by state-owned Deen Dayal Port Authority to hire an electric tug, the first such exercise in the country for 15 years, has drawn offers from 6 groups including state-run Shipping Corporation of India Limited, Polestar Maritime Limited and Netincon Marketing Private Limited, Knowledge Marine and Engineering Works Private Limited, San Marine India Private Limited and Underwater Services Company Limited have also filed their qualification papers and price quotations when the deadline ended on 27th March, multiple sources said. Global nickel dominance by Indonesia, China raises supply, pricing concerns for India's green push. Global concentration of nickel production and refining in Indonesia and China is raising concerns over supply security and pricing for India's clean energy transition as the country works towards meeting its net zero commitments. According to the Global Critical Minerals Outlook 2024 by the International Energy Agency, Indonesia produced over 50% of the world's nickel in 2024, up from 28% in 2020. This share is expected to increase to 63% by 2030. The report also highlights that nickel refining is similarly concentrated, with Indonesia and China projected to retain 65% of global refining capacity by 2030. Several Chinese firms have established nickel refining operations in Indonesia, further consolidating control. US-China raised the stakes in Panama Canal ports row. China's fury at the sale of Panama Canal ports to a US-led consortium reflects how container hubs have become prized currency as Beijing and Washington vie for global influence, analysts say. Hong Kong conglomerate C.K. Hutchinson this month sold 43 ports in 23 countries, including operations in the vital Central American Canal, to a group led by giant asset manager BlackRock for $19 billion in cash. After 2 weeks of rhetoric, Beijing hardened its response on Friday and confirmed the antitrust regulators will review the deal, likely preventing the parties from signing an agreement on April 2nd as planned. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.